Direct indirect. Part 3. Sentences 41 to 60. 41. Direct, he said. How many chapters have you done already? Indirect, he inquired of him how many chapters he had already done. 42. Direct, she said. Is this your book? Indirect. She asked me if that was my book. 43. Direct, he said. Do you have any share in this firm? Indirect, he asked me whether I had any share in that firm. 44. Direct, they said. Have you ever visited Murray Hills? Indirect, they asked me whether I had ever visited Murray Hills. 45. Direct, he said. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Indirect. He asked me whether I was not ashamed of myself. 46. Direct, the teacher said. Did you do your home task yesterday? Indirect, the teacher asked me whether I had done my home task the previous day. 47. Direct, the mother said. Didn't I ask you not to go there? Indirect, the mother asked me whether she had not asked me not to go there. 48. Direct, Rihanna said. Will you stop interfering in my work? Indirect, Rihanna asked me whether I would stop interfering in her work. 49. Direct, the mother said. Shall we invite the Qureishis also? Indirect. The mother asked whether they should invite the Qureishis also. 50. Direct, Adnan said. Had you left Karachi before writing this letter? Indirect. Adnan asked me whether I had left Karachi before writing that letter. 51. Direct, the judge said. Have you anything more to say? Indirect, the judge asked me whether I had anything more to say. 52. Direct, he said. What do you want me to do? Indirect, he asked what I wanted him to do. 53. Direct, the mother said. How did you fail in your examination? Indirect. The mother asked how I had failed in my examination. 54. Direct, Raza said. Where are you going? Indirect, Raza asked where I was going. 55. Direct, the teacher said. Whose book is it? Indirect. The teacher asked whose book it was. 56. Direct, the teacher said. Who is the author of this book? Indirect. The teacher asked who the author of that book was. 57. Direct, the stranger said. Which is the way to the Shalimar Garden? Indirect. The stranger asked which was the way to the Shalimar Garden. 58. Direct, the manager said. How do you propose to solve this problem? Indirect. The manager asked how I proposed to solve that problem. 59. Direct, the boy said. What do you want me to do? Indirect, the boy asked what I wanted him to do. 60. Direct, the pupil said. Where have I eased? Indirect, the pupil asked where he had eased.